I should have. When like the girl on like the first lady's drink, when she's all quiet like that, I think like that's when to. That's basically just send her back.
Fuck them.
Yeah. It's like you're like a
Hello, sir. Sir, we have naked shop. Hello, naked shop.
Those are the ones that made
There's
Papa's.
a couple way down here I've never been in on the left.
Those are the ones that made problems for Big Joe. Car. So that's fine.
Well, this place probably gets busy girls buying the high heels.
Let me say church and station. You have a look inside church.
They don't have zero.
Oh, they don't have zero?
That's one of the reasons I don't go in there. I've never been in here. And there's another one here. Up here, I think it's called Bangkok.
Bangkok? Where's that?
It was here, I thought.
Oh, Bangkok Hotel. Oh, that's like a girly bar?
Bangkok Hotel. I thought it was.
That's a hotel.
There's a couple over there. I guess it's far enough.
That.
Got the lollipop, I guess.
Lollipop? It's gonna be a lollipop thing?
One of them. I'm not gonna limit myself unless you get butt naked.
Yeah, no, why did they do that? Why can't the girls get butt naked? Like, what's kind of stupid?
It's allowed.
I know, but what?
Late at night, a lot of them do.
But why did they make the law like that?
Hello, ladies.
But why did they make the law like that? You mean like regular girls? Or like they're like hard girls?
I don't think so. Never been there. Now look, in the States, you put something that says 18 at 25 years old, discrimination. Here, when you put a resume in, the girl, they want your picture too.
Like the age 25 is like, yeah.
In the States, they can't do that.
Yeah. They want young girls.
Damn, the dollar went way up.
Really? Where's it at? What is the dollar now?
55.80. Or no, 55. That's if you want there.
What was it? What was it? What was it like at its peak? 57?
Go before Trump got in the heart.
Yeah, I don't like to watch that guys because
Oh, the Korean.
they always stare and
Part of the problem up here
they
is
go.
my hair.
I think it's the car Big Show had having the problem. Why wouldn't it do it?
That's quality. Gargano. And up there, past Lollipop.
Yeah, it's not good to have those guys in front because it kind of like drives the customers out. I don't really understand.
My team's not bad. We're in Sub-Zero. Just can't drink out.